We packed up the tent. We checked out if there's still trash around, and everything is clean. So we're gonna go back to the motorcycle. The temperature is already rising again. It's getting 30 degrees Celsius today again. Luckily enough, the temperature isn't that warm yet because we need to walk up a hill for a bit. We're planning to go to a really cool shelter. At least we saw a really cool shelter online, and it seems to be kind of special. Again, with a good hike, and the bike can't stand next to it. But the shelter looks to be perfect. So looking forward to that. You will see it. Huh? Whoa! That was a really big slug. So we're going to the motorcycle, and you will see the awesome shelter later.
So the shelter that we found is actually right next to a Second World War watchtower, which was used to watch for activity in the airspace. And later, after the Second World War, it was used as a fire watchtower, and now it's been rebuilt and abandoned for years actually. So we're gonna look if we can get into the tower and maybe even sleep in it. And if it's not possible, then we'll sleep in the shelter next to it probably. But first, we're going to visit one other stop.
So Luc is planning to maybe buy a jersey. Hi. Thank you. Thank you.
English.
Yeah.
What country?
Holland.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
Nice. Welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
In our shop. I should put from some fresh coffee so you can take.
Oh, thank
if
you.
Have any question?
Cool.
Let us.
Kijk, they even got something when you get older.
Faster than the speed of light, we stretch time. Snare drum pass, wicked sins. Faster than the speed of light. And we don't look too guilty. We don't crave too much. You're calling it but I'm not gonna save you. I'm not gonna talk to you. When you do that, say I'm not gonna feel you. No, I'm not gonna talk to you. And
We went to a motorcycle shop. I have the name here. It's Micke, Marin, WWII, board and motorcycle in Örebro. Örebro? Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. We went there to buy a jersey for me because I wanted to buy one, but I didn't have the time to get one in the Netherlands. I thought, yeah, why not get one in Sweden? It's a really cool souvenir to have. And the guys over there were really cool. The owner apparently was a KTM Husqvarna dealer, I think. And now he sells Beta bikes and Kawasaki. And yeah, we tried to film inside, but the GoPro had an error halfway through. It's the third GoPro we have. We sent the first one back and the second one back because it had different kind of freezing errors. And this one also has similar errors. And it looks like it's filming, but it just froze and doesn't do anything anymore. I hope it doesn't lose us too much footage. But yeah, he was really nice. I bought the jersey there. He made coffee for us and showed us around the shop. There are a lot of really cool bikes that we like to. We would really like to have for our TED adventure, maybe next year or the year after that. So yeah, maybe we'll pay him a visit later.
If you think the hike up was bad, the hike down
we made a salad again. It works like a charm. Just put it all in the bag, shake it.
sorry,
Apparently it's nice. Man, this is a beautiful place. It was quite a walk, but it was really worth it. You can see over all the trees, see some lakes in the distance. I hope we can sleep well here. And first night without a tent.
First night without a tent this year, yeah.
Yeah.
And of course we forgot to take everything with us. It was a long hike up this hill, 1 kilometer or more.
1.6
yeah.
kilometers.
We forgot our sleeping mats, or one of them, and we had to hike all the way back to get them. So in total we walked back and forth 3 times in motorcycle boots. It's cooler up here. It's still hot, but it's a bit cooler. So we're just gonna hang out right now, drink something, chill down a bit. Hope to see some animals tonight. We got an awesome view, and then sleep.
If I could give you more than half an ear, if I could give you more than half an ear.
We slept fairly well in this Firewatch house. I don't know if you played the game, but Emma played it a few years ago. A game where you basically are a Firewatch and walk between houses like this. And the forest is eerily similar to this one. Really funny to sleep here. It's like you're in the game. Like I said, I slept fairly well. The sound was pretty hard from the wind noise. The wind resonated with the structure of the building. But yeah, the fact that bears won't climb this structure was a bit of peace of mind for me.
Probably won't climb this.
Yeah, probably. I think black bears do. Brown bears maybe aren't such
I don't know.
climby bears. I don't know. I have no bear knowledge. Yeah, so we're going to pack up our stuff. Then we're going to drag it all down again. And we're going on our next adventure. So see you there. Tot zo.
Tot zo.
Next video we have some technical problems and get eaten alive by a swarm of flies. But in the meantime, click here to check out how we struggle to get uphill to a beautiful campsite on slippery road tires.